Right, so we made it to the waterfall, absolutely hammering it down with rain, which is marvellous, but this is where we are. Pala U Waterfall, National Park, Thailand. So this is where we are. It's a bit of a big walk there. There's a bit of a big walk there. So I don't quite know where we are. We're at number 5 at the minute. So yeah, we'll have a little walk through and hopefully not fall down and get too wet. But we shall see. So again, it's free for Thais to get in. It said 300 on the board and an extra 20 for a motorbike, but I got charged 380 and the lady didn't speak any English and I don't speak any Thai, so yeah, it was 380 baht to come in here, which is about 7-8 quid. Obviously it's going to be a lot better on not a rainy day, but there we go, what can you do? Not to worry, but we'll have a little turn round, and this is where we are, in the middle of the jungle. Just at the car parking area. So you get the tickets at the bottom of the hill, and there's about a 5-10 minute ride up the hill to get here. So now we're gonna ride down and walk down now and have a little look. So apparently it is 750 metres to level 5 Kaen Krachan, and then the distance back is 1.5 kilometres. So there we go, let's have a little walk down and see what's what. Well, I'm totally unprepared for this, to be honest with you. I'm lucky I've got a rain jacket and some trainers on today. I was only going to go and have a look at the temple, but we can go down here. Let's see if we can risk it for a bit. Oh, these stairs are actually quite solid and non-slip, but this bit ain't. So let's go down here. And this is where we are. We are at Pala U Waterfall, Kaen Krachan National Park. It is about an hour away on the moped. It's about an hour away on the moped from Hua Hin. Walk down. I think this is level 5, so I don't know what the other bits of waterfall are saying, but this is the first bit. It's looking quite nice, isn't it? Oh look, there's loads of fish there. Oh my gosh, absolutely tons of them. Look, there is loads of them. Oh my god, can't believe how many fish are here. Look at that. Wow, I've literally walked up here and they must be used to getting fed here. Look at them all. Wow, that is crazy. Some big fish there and all. Look. Wow, that is so cool. They're all lining up to get fed. That is crazy. Right, on to the next level. No one said anything about this. Oh my god, gotta hold on to this rope. It's going to be a nightmare. Oh, here we go. I'll tell you what, that little rope all the way up there. To get to this little part. I'll try and clumber all the way up this. More fish down there. But I don't know where this is going to take us to, but we'll carry on and see where we get to. Right, this place is an absolute death trap. I just went right over on my backside on some of them rocks over there. Luckily I managed to grab hold of a branch or else I'd have been in the drink. But here we are anyway. These are little plaque boards telling you about the fish in there. So they're all part of the carp family basically. There we go. As you can see them all in the water just down there. But we'll carry on going up and hopefully we won't have any more accidents. But 100% you need to be bringing decent walking shoes and a decent backpack to go on your back. So here we go. Right, so we're getting there. The path's got a little bit better. As you can see, there is actually a path there and not just rocks to the side of this mountain. We'll go down there. I tell you, this is an absolute mission. So some blokes just walked past, absolutely drenched through, and apparently you can't get to level 5 because you've got to cross the river, and it just swept him away trying to do it. So it looks like we'll be giving that part a miss, which is a shame. What you've got to realise is we're walking on at least some kind of path with rope rails of some description along parts of it, but you don't understand that some Thai fella or some Thai woman has gone, do you know what, let's make a path around the waterfall and charge people to come in. Or the government has, whoever runs the national parks. And some poor fella's had to come and walk his way through this, cut down trees and do all the rest of it. You don't actually realise how much work's gone into it for that first person that done it. But we're getting there slowly. But I think the woman in front of me is trying to kill me this week. Ain't going to do her any good if I do die, because she ain't getting no life insurance. But we're getting there. Let's crack on. There we go. Have a little pause and a read of that. I don't think we're all the way there yet, still got a bit to go, so let's crack on. Right, so it looks as though I'm as far as I can get. Let's turn it around. Which you're meant to walk across there. And I don't think it's worth risking myself to get a little bit further. So, as much as it's nice, I think you're better off not hurting yourself. Yeah, so the humidity ain't helping my glasses, but we'll try and make our way back now without hurting ourselves. So let's do it. I'll let you know on the way back if we make it or not. Right, this is what we're walking across. It's absolutely treacherous. They don't tell you about this when you're up the top buying a ticket. Let's just hope I can make it up without going on my arse again. That's what we're dealing with. Really, I should put this camera away. Oh, jeez. even when you think the path is safe, it's not. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.